Hirap mo na imuha.
Oh. Insert, slide, interlace fingers, lock elbows, lean forward. Then pump. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tanaw. Insert, slide, interlace fingers, lock elbow, lean forward, and pump. 1, 6, 7. Klaro? Sige. Insert, slide, interlace fingers, lock elbows, lean forward, pump. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Harder, ma'am. Ayaw i-bounce. 1 lang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1. Okay. If mag-blow mo, pinch the nose, open the mouth. Okay? If dili, continue up to 200 compressions. Ha? Sige, tagay ko 100 up to 100. Go. 100 ka pumps. 1, 7. Basta sakay ka lang. 1, 2, 3. Ah. 100 ah. Dapat 200 na, pero para di mo makapoy ayun, up to 100. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8, 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 100. Stop. Check EBC again. Stop. Check EBC again. Check EBC. Go. Pulse. Ano, sir? Happy. Babaw sa baba o ilong. Tago ang siko. Happy. Babaw o ilong. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1. Positive pulse, positive breathing. What do we do next?
Put the patient into recovery position.
Recovery position. Okay, so far arm up, near arm abduct. Patient. Doon na arm, saka. Far arms across. Yan na dito. Delay.
Saka.
Ayan ang lane.
Okay, klaro? Okay, next. Sige, saro yun. Sige, yapon. Go. Introduce yourself.
Kundi si Shirley sa
Kasi ay si Kuan. Go.
Saka.
Sir, ako din si...
Perform as if it were real already. Ha? O sige, go. As if tinood na.
Sir, ako din si Gio Mugatal, sir. Isa ka first leader. Pwede
Ako
pa
din si
kung tabang yun,
Shirley
sir.
sa
Okay,
Sir,
permission
saka
granted.
first leader pwede.
Sir, tabangin sir, palihog ko. Sige na. Okay, next button. Tap the shoulder twice. Hey, are you okay? I-check ni mo kung sa level of responsiveness ni patient. O sige, tap the shoulder twice. Sige.
Hey, okay, sir.
O, check man ni mo, basta tug na. O, sige, tap again.
Hey, okay, sir.
O, kasi. Okay, no response. Wala. No response. No response. What will you do next? Dili mapukaw. Unsay buhaton next?
Check the pulse. Tawag.
Sir, ikaw naka-blue sir. Palihog kong tawag sa ambulance sir. Mamalihog kong tawag sa ambulance. Natay laki diri, dili mapukaw. Ha? Naata diri ron sa second floor ko aning na diri sa may second floor. Oh, maktan yung taon ana. Karo sa room, unsa ning room? Function hall sa para i-complete kina sa. Okay? All right, next. Ikaduha nga tawo. Sir, ikaw nakaputi sir, palihog ko kuha sa first aid kit og AED. Balik diri dayon ako. Okay, go again from the top katong ikaw sir naka-blue.
Ikaw sir naka-blue palihog kong tawag og ambulance dadiri sa
Sultir mo ginyo ha dira sa Okay, go.
Sir,
ikaw sir naka-blue palihog kong tawag og ambulance diri sa FNB
Ikaw.
town sa Ganto.
Religion mo tagsa mo to. Sige, ikaw.
Tagalogin mo.
Tagalog
Sir,
ito.
ikaw naka-blue sir, pwede may tabang nimo sir, pwede ka tawag og ambulance sir, diri sa second floor sa FNB
Yes.
building.
Ano man?
Nay usa ka pasyente diri sir nga kon sir. Nawala ng malay.
Okay. Proceed. Help is on the way. Next. Next. What will you do next?
Pulse.
Do next.
Ikaw sir
ABC. Let's say for example nakatawag. Go. Tago ang siko. Hey, remember the siko. Good. Okay. Oh, aping babaw sa babang ilong. Count. 1,002, 1,003. Okay. No pulse, no breathing. What will you do next? Deep, Anna. One hand lang on the opposite side. Slide until the heel will reach at the center. Hey, heel. Reach at the center. Good. Okay. Lock elbows, lean forward. Okay.
pwede
Pump.
wala sir.
With anything. Whatever you're comfortable. Go. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Continue.
8, 9, 10.
Continue. Huwag yung ganon, sir. Huwag yung ganon. Ganon. Lean forward ng konti. Ito, yung shoulder mo dapat midline. Ito, itama mo yung shoulder dito sa Itama. Itama. Sige. Ayun. Sige pa. 5, 6, 7, 8, dito.
Check the pulse. Check the pulse.
Ito kasi. Ayan. Medyo may distance yung leg ko. Third, lean forward, lock elbow. Diba? Yung kasi kanina, ganon. Dapat ganon. Yung shoulder ko nasa midline. Okay, midline. Pag medyo maliit, bata, one hand pwede. Okay, one hand. Okay? Sige. Ready? Yeah. Up to 50 na lang. Go. Pump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, Okay, check ko yung siko.
Ini.
Dili anak. Dili anak. Ah, good. Count. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000. Positive pulse, positive breathing. Ha? So, go.
Position.
Oh, yung pinakamalapit na arm, yun yung itataas nyo. Yung far arm, yun yung i-cross nyo. Tapos, yung far leg, yun yung i-bend nyo at the level of the knee and then recovery position. Okay, clear? Or, yung turo ni Sir Ayan, gano'n. Okay? Cross. Okay, sige, ready? Okay na, next. Mamaya na tanggalin yung gloves kasi tuturuan ko yung paano mag-remove ng gloves.
Basa sir. Basa.
Oh, pero mamaya na tanggalin kahit masaya. Okay.
I'm sila ko sir, trainer president sir.
Okay, start. Introduce yourself. Consent. Pananghid, yung mutabang.
Sir, ako si sila ko sir. Tandang ko tama sir. So, trainer president sir.
Hindi ko makatabang ani sir.
Okay, sige. Help is on the way. Go.
Sir, malihog siya kong tawag.
Sir, palihog kong tawag ang ambulansya, sir.
Sir, ikaw naka-blue, sir. Palihog ko.
Sir, ikaw na sir, malihog kong tawag sir sa...
Sir, ikaw nakablo, sir. Palihog kong tawag ang ambulansya, sir.
Na, ikaw sir, malihog kong kuha sa person sir.
Patient, sir. Nasa BPO, second floor. Production area, sir.
Okay.
Sir, palihog ko kuha sa medicine kit, sir. Sa EED. Balik na yun, sir.
Balik lang yan diri sir. Magdala na ka o medicine kit o iit.
First aid.
First aid.
First aid kit.
Okay, go.
Sir. Sir.
Are you okay sir?
Dapat una mo nag-tap. Before mo na
Nawag.
all. Yes, tap the shoulder.
Tap sa shoulder. Una sa day, una.
Sa taga. Then nawag na ambulansya.
Kawon, kawon.
Ikaw nakablo sir, malihog kong tawag ng ambulance. Kaya na ikaw, wala mong ginawa sir.
Sir,
Na,
palihog
ikaw, malihog kong kuha sa first aid kit sir. Balik na yun, kinaguhat ko mo. Ano mga matabang? Second floor sir, thank you.
Second floor sa BPO sir. Kay dili naman siya mo kuan eh. Negative response niya. Ikaw sa naka-yellow sir, palihog lang sa tab dala diri o first aid kit o kani EED. Balik lang diri sir, ila na kay dala.
Mana tu? Ang pulso.
1, 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008.
Dayo.
1003, 1004,
Sir.
Negative response sir, yung CPR mo sir.
7, 8, 9.
Lock. Daw.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 41, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 59,
Anak ko?
Ay, musiko, boss. Ayun, 52,
Ang kamot sa pulso.
56, 7, 58, 59, 80, 1, 2,
Dato mga kawan na, batayin sila.
Tomato?
Okay. Check. ABC. Go. Kuma naman mo, kamo na ibantay dira.
1, 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004,
4,
1005.
Kamot.
Kamot na yun, 1005.
Balik, kuha, shoulder, position.
Recovery position.
Recovery position. Go. Near arm abduct, far arm across, far leg cross. Grab the shoulder in hips. Shoulder hip. Roll towards you.
Gusto naman ka, sir.
Okay, next. Okay.
Layo ra kay ka ay. Layo ra kay ka. Layo ra kay ka.
Okay, go. Paila, go.
Wag kang lisod na.
Okay, sir, tabangin sir. Kay kinihara, di mapukaw.
Oh dia, ha.
Go.